Hi, welcome to AI360studio.com. Let me show you the step-by-step ways of using Research Genius AI app to research and generate quality up-to-date information. This Research Genius app helps to conduct deep, AI-powered research faster than ever before. AI360 Research Genius scans massive data sources, extracts key insights, summarizes complex topics, and organizes information into clear, actionable reports. From your dashboard, locate the Research Genius app and open it. Here, type in your prompt for the information you are researching for. In few seconds, the Research Genius app will process and create uncountable URLs linking you to the exact information you are searching for, as well as compile it to produce a well-crafted, comprehensive, in-depth information all in one. That's it. You can copy the information and use for whatever purpose you intend to use it for. Why not go try this super amazing app called Research Genius and see for yourself what this AI tool can perform at AI360studio.com. And if you don't have an AI360 Studio account, go sign up now at AI360studio.com, as we have an ongoing promo deal right now. Thanks for watching.